At RoboJob USA, we believe in making manufacturing smarter and more efficient. That's why we're proud to announce a groundbreaking milestone. Our robots aren't just tools. They're partners in production, and we've connected our robots with more than 100 different CNC brands. After more than a dozen years of being around CNC machines, I can't name 100 CNC brands without help. Can you? Whether you're using a Doosan, a DMG, a Mori, a DMG Mori, a Kuma, Hardage, Makino, Kitamura, or any of the other brands that are out there, our robots adapt effortlessly, and they all boost your productivity. Experience the freedom to focus on what matters, and that's innovation and growth. With RoboJob, you're not just keeping up, you're leading the way. Here's something to think about. When you add a different brand of machine tool to your operation, someone has to learn the ins and outs of programming that new machine tool. But the operation instructions for your RoboJob robot are the same regardless of the machine tool brand with which it's paired. We hid robot complexity behind a curtain of simplicity because that's what our customers want. They want the benefits of having a robot without the technical headaches. And when our customers tell us that our robots are the easiest to use, we believe them. So join the automation revolution. Let's work together to build a smarter future for manufacturing. And to start your CNC automation conversation, call us at 866-952-9020 and then press 1 to talk to a human. Our robots don't answer the phone. They're too busy working.